The Jagannatha Temple in Puri, Orissa, is one of the most revered Hindu pilgrimage sites, dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Krishna. The temple has a rich history and cultural significance, particularly in connection with the Ratha Yatra, chariot festival. History of Jagannatha 1. Origins *. The worship of Jagannatha dates back to ancient times, with references in texts such as the Skanda Purana. The current temple was built in the 12th century by King Anantavaman Chodaganadewa, although earlier structures likely existed. 2. Deity *. Lord Jagannatha is depicted as a wooden idol with large, expressive eyes and a distinctive round body. His form represents the universal nature of God, transcending sectarian boundaries. 3. Iconography *. The idols of Jagannatha, along with his siblings, Balabhadra and Subhadra, are made from neem wood. They are carved and replaced every 12 to 19 years in a ceremony called Navakalebara. Ratha Yatra, Chariot Festival 1. Significance *. Ratha Yatra is the most famous Jagannath Rath Yatra. History and traditions. Jagannath Rath Yatra is held every year in the city of Puri, Orissa. In this journey, Lord Jagannath, along with his brothers Balabhadra and Bhimal, are taken to Puri in a chariot. The history and tradition of this journey has a long and deep history. History. The history of Jagannath Rath Yatra is said to have been going on since the time of Dekana Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The main reason is to give the audience a chance to see God. It was instituted by the local people for this purpose. While this great journey began in the 16th century, it was primarily a gathering of people. Now, it has received national and international recognition. Custom Jagannath Rath Yatra is held on the first full moon of the month. Ratharis and devotees participate in large numbers on this Yatra day. While the chariot is a huge and happy vehicle, it is visible through a rhinoceros. At the start of the journey, a chariot is taken in which Lord Jagannath is taken from the Puri temple and shared with the public. In this journey, people gather for darshan, which brings peace and joy to the heart. Cultural significance. Jagannath Rath Yatra is a great cultural festival of Orissa and the whole of India. It is attended by devotees from all over the country, gathered from other places. Aspas and Puri organize